everyone. This is the 16th lesson of our Introduction to Web Development with Django course. This is actually one of our last lessons, and in this lesson we will finish improving our front end of the website and making it better. So as you guys remember, in the last lesson we added some things to our website that actually improved our front ends like drastically using Bootstrap. In this lesson we will continue doing this thing, and we will improve our registration.successful.html page, and we will improve our grok.html page. So let's start. Firstly, let's go to the registration successful page. Here, as we know, we will just link our page to Bootstrap. So https this thing, right? Oops, yeah, row style shit. And then we'll go like body, and we will comment this thing for now on. So we create a class, div class will be container text center mt5. So basically we'll center our text to make it better and also add some useful things. And here, as you guys can see, GitHub Copilot is actually helping us, and it's doing the right thing, so why not accept it, right? But the thing I want to add is that I want to add the class for our a tag. So class will be button primary, and then let's add the class for h1 tag. So class will be mb4. Yeah, and we did it. Now let's check if our front end works or not. We just write python 3 manage .py run server. Here we go. Now we go to Safari itself. So let's head to Safari. Let's refresh our page because I just opened it before the lesson, and let's sign up because we need to see what happens when we sign up. What page do we see? So for example, test 10 whatever, then test 10 email.com, then password. I think we should choose our own password. So just whatever password you guys want to, so it fits complies with these rules. So we register, and as you guys can see here, it's actually got a lot better. Now we'll log in, but here, as you guys can see, the button is like located very weirdly. So let's actually fix it. We'll go back to our website code, and we'll just move our a tag just below it so it looks better. Let's head to our Safari now and refresh our page. So refreshing our page, send the form again. Oops, okay. Yeah, didn't work out the way I planned it to. So just creating whatever password and whatever user. I just realized that we forgot to actually move the button outside the p tag, so it is released from the cage of you have successfully registered. So we actually removed it, and now we go here and refresh the page. Annoyingly, we need to register again, so whatever username we want to, test 12 creating a lot of accounts here. So here we are, and our button is under the text, so it got better. Now we need to log in, so just whatever username, so it can be test1, whatever password that we used before. And as you guys can see, we see our like pretty website that we did before. Now we'll go to suggestions with AI, and as you guys can see, it looks weird, so let's improve it too. We go to scene 3, yeah, and then in the grok.html we basically need to improve everything from scratch, because our thing looks so weird. So firstly we need to create a better head. So meta chart set, link, title, yeah, I think it's fine. So rel style should be, but we will delete this one because we don't really need it. Yeah, and that's it. So Copilot is actually helping us. UTF-8, initial scale, device widths, viewport, yeah, everything's fine. Now we go, let's comment this one for now, and let's create a container class. So div class will be container mt5, closing the class. Div class will be card. We'll do it not the same as Copilot does, so I just want to do it my way. So then div class header, but we'll add text center so it looks better. Card header text center, and then each one suggestions, yeah, it's fine. Closing the div, then div class card body for method post. Class will be we'll add some classes here, so class for form, inline, justify, content center. We're just adding a bunch of classes here. So mp2, so yeah, and closing the tag. Input type will be text. Input, oh, I didn't close it. Yeah, input type will be text, then name will be text, input class will be form control, then placeholder will be, enter your text here, then we'll add required, what required, yeah. Now we're gonna close our div and create a button. So button type will be submit, class will be button primary, mb2, and then also let's add ml2 to add some better design. Now let's close the form tag, and then we'll go for div. So closing the div tag, div class will be card footer text center, closing the tag. Oops, I switched on Russian for some reason, I don't know why. It was an accident. Then if result, yeah, but let's turn it into h3 because as we know there's a lot of text there and we don't want it to like replace the whole screen. And then closing a bunch of divs right here. So div, And let's also, oh my god, what happened? Yeah, yeah. And also let's add the script source. So script source will be code jQuery, uh, the thing that Copilot suggests. And then let's also add script source code, just Bootstrap basically. um yeah, and we're probably done with it. Now let's head to our website right here, and let's refresh it. Yeah, it looks a lot better, don't you guys think so? So AI suggestions, and then let's write some text. So for example, I want to buy an apartment in NYC for $1,100,000. Help me to choose the um neighborhood, or maybe choose apartments. Let's wait for Grok's response. It actually should be responding very fast, but it isn't that fast considering the fact that it's doing from the local host. um so basically right here we have a very nice formatted answer from Grok. And yeah, we're done with this page. The only thing we have to deal with is this problem parsing. I already know how to solve it, but I don't want the lesson to be too long. So um thank you for listening to this lesson. um and see you in the next lesson. Bye.